Hello dear traders, today is the 16th of November and you're watching financial news on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. The market is encouraged by the latest positive statistics from the US. It seems that the Federal Reserve is poised to tighten monetary policy in December amid solid fundamentals. Yesterday it was reported that consumer activity in the United States is gaining momentum. We also should take into account that the increase of retail sales in September and October is the highest since 2014. The only thing that can cast a shadow over the forecasts of an imminent interest rate hike is the inflation data, which will be published tomorrow. Nevertheless, markets pin hopes that President-elect Donald Trump will be able to bolster consumer inflation. Experts share the viewpoint that the part of Trump's election pledges, in particular notable expansion of the budget spending and tax cuts, will be a catalyst for faster consumer inflation and economic growth. The dollar has been on a sharp upward trajectory as markets price in their high expectations for a positive impact from Trump's administration. The US dollar index nearly approached the strongest level in the latest 3.5 years. Meanwhile, the index is trading above 100.20, an 11-month high. Investors rely on the rate hike by the US Federal Reserve and a steady recovery of the US economy with the full support from the government. Indeed, Congress, with the majority of Republicans, will hardly hamper implementation of the fiscal stimulus suggested by a newly elected Republican president. Apart from growing demand for the US dollar, the yield on 10-year US Treasuries has jumped. Meanwhile, a lot of investors decided to transfer their funds from Japan's debt securities to US Treasury bills. Even executives of Japan's corporations dare to admit now they opt to invest in US bonds as safe assets against Japan's ones. On the back of differential in bond yield curves, the yen is going on losing in value. The dollar-yen pair closed the Asian trade next to 109.50. And this was Daily Financial News on Insta TV. Thank you and goodbye.